Good morning, boys and girls. Let's talk about plants, yeah? And the parts of the plants. Why don't I show you what those parts are? Okay? So the first part of a plant is the seed, okay? Seed. Then from the seed comes the root. Root. Then the stem starts growing, the stem. Then we have the leaves, the leaves. And the next part is the flower, flower, okay? And we also have the fruit, okay? So, seed, root, stem, leaves, flower, and the fruit. Okay? Those are the parts of a plant. And all of those parts have a function and are very important. Okay? So, let's talk about the seed. This is the seed. And this is where the plant starts growing from. Okay? The seed. Then we have the roots that grow from the seed. The roots absorb the food and the nutrients and the water the plant needs, okay? So, seed, root. Then we have the stem. Stem, okay? The stem is where the leaves start growing from, and it gives the plant its shape, okay? It's like the skeleton of the plants. And that's where all the water and nutrients go to the different plants of the plant, okay? Then we have the leaf. The leaf. The leaf is where the plant breathes from, okay? It breathes, okay? Then we have the flower. The flower that is very decorative, but it also has the seeds in it, okay? So it's very important that the seeds are there in the flower, and sometimes the flower turns into a fruit, okay? So root, seed, stem, leaf, flower, and fruit, okay? So let me show you some types of fruits. Okay? Look, there are many types of roots. Those are the roots. Then, let me show you some type of leaves. Okay? Look at all the different leaves you can see in different trees and flowers. Okay? And now, let me show you some type of stems, okay? These are types of stems. And you know that there are many type of flowers and many type of seeds that you see in your house. This is very common for you, okay? And you also know that there are many types of fruits, like the apple, the banana, the orange, okay? So, if we put all of the parts together, all the parts of the plant together, this is what we get. See? A complete plant that has the seeds inside the flower, the roots, the stem, the leaves, and the fruit. Okay? So, what plants do we have in Bolivia? In Bolivia, we have a lot of wheat, a lot of quinoa, cotton, we have sugarcane, and we also have coffee plants. Okay? So, that is the plant and its parts. Why don't we go to our book on page 34? And we grab our pencil and our colors. Okay, so what do we have to do here? Here we have a plant, okay? And let's say it's part in Spanish. Raíz, tallo, fruto, hoja, flor y semilla, okay? So you trace. This is the flower, in Spanish flor. You trace, you write flor. This is the leaf, okay? So we write leaf, okay? So we say hoja. We do the same thing here for the fruit, fruto, for the tallo, and for the root, okay? And then we make a line from the word to the part, okay? So aquí dice flor, nos vamos a la flor, okay? Here it says leaf, we have to go to the leaf. Here it says fruto, we have to go to the fruto. Tallo, we go to the tallo. Raíz, we go to the raíz, okay? After you finish that, here it says hoja. So you're gonna draw, you are going to draw an hoja. Here it says fruto. So you can draw an apple. Here it says raíz, so you draw a raíz. Flor, you can draw a flower. And tallo, you can draw the tallo. Okay? So that's going to be your practice. And for your homework, you're going to ask your mom and dad to print this for you, okay? You get your glue and your scissors too. And you write your name, okay? Your name. You write the date, okay? And you start coloring the plant. Okay. So I color my plant. Okay? I color my plant and all its parts. I color the leaf, the flower, the stem, the roots. And then I cut these words, okay? This word here says flor. So I'm gonna cut it and glue it right here in the floor. Here it says tallo. So you cut it and you put it where the tallo is. And you do the same thing with the raíz, the root, and the leaves, las hojitas. Okay? And that will be it for today, my boys and girls. Thank you for learning about plants with me today. Okay? Bye.